Audit yourself. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. If you're letting calls go to voicemail, your voicemail better sound like this. You've reached Matt. Your call is very important to me. Please leave a message or send a text on how I can best respond. And that's exactly what I'll do. Beep. Not, you've reached 555-555-555. Not, you've reached M-Dog. You know what to do. Not, hi, you've reached Matt Easton with Easton University. Hey, your call is very, very important to me. You know what? For a faster response, send a text. Boom! Don't you want to punch somebody in the face when you hear that? For a faster response, send a text. And you know, God bless. None of that crap. You're landing a damn airplane. You've reached Matt. Your call is very important to me. Please leave a message or send a text on how I can best respond. And that's exactly what I'll do. I'm giving them the opportunity to send a text, but I'm not saying, hey, I could give a crap about listening to your nasty voice, so please text me. Because that's what people hear when we say things like, for an instant response, send a text. If you have that on your voicemail right now, I'm sorry I just pissed you off. But I keep it real, I'm your coach. You're running the wrong direction. Take that off of your voicemail. Your voicemail should be tight, should be compressed, it should be professional. Let me know how I can best respond, and that's exactly what I'll do. And then 7 seconds later, Chris, you call them back. Hey Matt, it's Chris with Truder Consulting. What can I get you information? Wow, this guy did what he said he was gonna do. It's easier that way. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're gonna see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future. And you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.